What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Builds. And tonight, yes, tonight, it's nighttime. Travis is actually gonna take my camera and he's going to pick up an Edmunds intake. He found it on Marketplace, I'm imagining, or someone sent it to you. I don't know why you're actually on Marketplace now that I'm saying this out loud, but anyway, he found the intake. I guess it's a good price, so he feels like it's worth it to grab it. So he's gonna go and grab that, and I figured tomorrow, as I told you in the last video, I'm gonna start wire wheeling the inside of the Model A. But since he's grabbing that, we can like mount it on the flathead I have in there already and just kind of like see what it looks like. But since he's going to pick it up and I am staying home to make sure, you know, no one steals the kids or nothing happens, I'm gonna give him the camera and let him do the journey. The journey of the intake to be for the old
Smoky.
The old Smoky Model A mommy over here. Not Hot Rod Mama, that's our girl, but Model A mommy. So here you go, Trav.
All right.
Good luck, guys.
Bye, Kelly.
Good luck with him.
Got some goodies.
Yeah, I had two pull-max machines. I had a P9 and a P7. So I think that's 1-inch tooling.
Yeah, that's a
Probably
P9.
the P9.
I can always, yeah, like you said, bring it to on a millimeter. All right, we made it out. Talked with him for a bit. Cool dude. He knows a lot of famous people in the whole hot rodding world, and also across the street was a place that I actually put it, not an application in, but they wanted to do an interview with me when I used to be a machinist, and I saw some people that I knew I used to work with who moved over there, so I was chatting with them for a minute. They were on the night shift, but on the way home I got a couple other things because, you know, it's cheap, and I know I said with that box of random pieces of metal, you know what it is. You guys might not know what it is because you're on Kelly. This is Kelly's channel. It's not Road Alliance Customs. So, yeah, that was dies for Pullmax and power hammer stuff. So, it needs to be heat treated. They're not ready. They can be used lightly because, you know, I know about that stuff. But yeah, it was pretty cool to get a box of dies that maybe I can, you know, make work better than the stuff I got. I don't know. We'll see. Got options now. But yeah, I headed back home a little later than I wanted to be, but we're getting back home.
All right, guys, so welcome back. Travis has the intake. I will bring it over here quick and I'll show you guys quickly what it looks like. I don't think we're gonna be putting it on the Model A. We were toying with the idea of actually putting the McCullough on this, so who knows? I have a little, you know, hesitancy because of the smoke, but Travis feels confident that, you know, whatever. Regardless, I'll bring that over and show you guys, but I'm also gonna tell you now what I'm gonna be working on. So I was originally thinking I would just start to like wire wheel the inside here, and you know, there's just like a lot going on. Travis wants to just like sandblast it because there's so much going on, but you know, we're just actually not gonna do that today. We're not gonna wire wheel. I'm actually gonna make my first patch for right here. Originally, we weren't even gonna like take care of any of this stuff because we were gonna sell it, like you guys know, but times have changed and we are gonna take care of this thing, and I'm gonna do my first patch panel. Would you call it a patch panel, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna do my first patch panel by myself. So Travis just gave me like a little rundown with a piece of paper how to do it, because like I said as well, I don't want to be taking time away from his actual like work, you know. I don't know, guys. This is not a tutorial. This is not a how-to. This is a girl with a Model A who wants it to look nice. So I guess let's just figure this out. I'm gonna mess up. It's probably gonna be bad, but hopefully not. I don't know. I'm not afraid to screw something up on YouTube. So if you want a professional metal guy, Travis from RAC Garage is your guy. If you want to First timer, you've come to the right place, my friends. So this is the intake he picked up. He's actually grabbing the other one to show you guys like the comparison, why we can't use this. So I'm just gonna let Trav, he's finding it in our areas. Ooh, dusty.
So it looks pretty similar, but both Edmunds. This one's just a little more oxidized. This and this. This one does not have that or that. This is an early 32 to 48 intake. This is a 49 to 53 intake. We like the earlier stuff. We don't like the later stuff, even though the later stuff performs better. These just look better. So if you have an 8BA and you want an Edmunds, hit us up. We'll be cleaning it up.
Yeah.
And
blasting it.
You know, making it look nice. But yeah, these are nice. Either one, if you have an 8BA or if you have a 59 8B or if you have 21 stud, you can run 2 carbs and still run your stock generator here. That's why these are so nice. You don't have to run a bracket on your head and have the generator sticking out on the side or your alternator on the side. You can run it right where it belongs. So yeah, that's about it.
Cool beans.
Same thing, but different years.
All right, now it's time to work with metal, like Shepard says, right? Can I do it, Travis? Oh, I lost him. Okay, guys, I've got my tape measure, I have my paper, and my pen. So hopefully, I don't know. If it comes out terrible, I can A, do it again, and B, ask for help later on today. So whatever, right? Like I said, not a professional, so whatever. So I can almost see the line Travis drew with his finger right here. He said to go like an inch past that, but I'm feeling like maybe 2 inches is cool too. Because, I don't know, maybe in my brain, like 18 inches. Having it a bit extra when I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I can always cut it. I don't. He said this is easy, but you know. So the line is here. This is 5 inches. So I don't know. I'm gonna say 7 inches down. Because I'd rather have extra. And I think that's it. So 18 inches. Yeah. 7. So I guess we'll do 18 by 7. 18 inches across, 7 down, cut it, put some shape in it with the English wheel, and then make sure it's like this. Then use the brake for the sides, like this. What the heck was that? So yeah. Alright dudes, let's try it. What the heck? So, right, I'm good?
7's a lot.
So Travis was asking me some questions and
You have 5 inches.
then yeah, I told you, 5 to the bottom, so then I added 2 inches, so
No.
7.
Just do 5 inches. Because you're going to be up here 4 inches, right here.
Well, I went because your line
That's all
right here.
That's fine.
I was going off of that.
Yeah, look how much good metal there is here.
So what?
You're going to cut the line here.
Okay, so what should my
5
measurements be?
inches. Because you have 4 inches and then an inch for the
Okay,
plant.
so 5 inches width and
And then 18's good.
18's good. Okay, so not bad at all. Okay.
Yeah.
What the heck? Killing it. Alright, now we get to go in the scary dungeon. Very smelly, musty. If I see a mouse, I'm gonna, you Travis is really going to town right now, but got our measurements.
corner's a square, so you want to
Yep.
measure off of this.
Okay.
What is it?
18.7. I mean 5.
Okay. It's gonna be your 18.
Okay.
You're over. Mark at 18.
Yeah.
Do another one. Up a little bit. 18. And the 5 this way.
Oh, scary spider. I can hook it, right?
That's good, perfect. And one of the 18s. So, we start with this end.
Okay.
Because this end cuts. Okay. But worry about this mark right first.
This doesn't stay up, right?
No. Hold it up though. Lay it flat on the table. Pretty good. Yep. Good.
I got it with my lighting.
No, let go. Put it on that mark first, and then
Then you move it, right?
you can even
You
stand
go
on that.
slow, right?
Stand on it, and you can see this mark, right?
Yeah.
So kind of put it. Okay. Now hold the piece, like firm, and start on the right, and then start stepping. You gotta hold the piece firm, or it's gonna suck it
am.
in.
Am I holding it good enough?
Okay. That's it.
Got my piece. She is clean. She's going to use the English wheel. I haven't used the English wheel yet. The new one, I should say. Not sure if this is gonna fit the contour of the body. I was asking Trav if this was like a good
Flat on it,
size.
so it's not.
So it's not. So I'm gonna change it anyway. So I probably should have done that before I clean this, no?
Check that. It's probably gonna be 36. Check it on the body.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure that contour matches the body.
Okay. We shall check the contour of the body. Travis guessed 36 and I think he's on the money. I have the die.
Lower anvil.
Lower end, die, and what?
That's it.
And then what? Righty tighty? Do you have to do wicked? How much do you do? How do you do this?
Huh?
How do you fix it?
Just goes all the way.
Why is it falling? Just what?
So of course I fucking make myself bleed trying to help you.
How'd you make yourself bleed?
I pinch myself in between the wrench and the stupid bolt I told you not to hit.
Shaking.
Back and forth. Don't go on the very edge.
Okay.
Just go back and forth, and you should be only a couple passes all the way, like
Locked in,
all the way.
I think.
Push it. No, the wrench. I want to make sure it's okay.
It's funny, you can hear it. Crazy that this like actually does something. No. Shoot. I'm losing her. I feel like it still needs some. Right?
Give it some more. So what's the other side look like? The other way.
What do you mean? This?
Side to side. You're not giving it shape one direction. You're giving it both directions. There you go.
It's like pretty tight, but would you do more than that?
Lay it on the body. See what it looks like.
Let's lay it on the body, people. See, like right here, it's like too open now.
That's not a lot of tension though.
That's not bad.
No.
Oh,
Yeah, because look at that.
okay.
That's fine.
Cool.
It's probably either lost some shape or it's because there's no structural holdness.
Okay, cool. So I
Yeah.
didn't totally mess up that. That's good
And I'll
news.
figure out how wide this has got to be.
Just this.
Just the flange.
Uh-huh. And then use the brake.
Mark it here on the inside because we're going to clamp it here and bend it up. So if you mark it on the outside, we're not going to see. So you need to mark it here.
So measure that, make a mark. Measure here. And then make a mark. Okay. I have to do it on the inside. Ew. Okay. Probably do this on a flat surface, but why do that when I can make my life more difficult? You know? Okay, I guess that's it. That, and we bend it.
90 degrees.
Hmm?
90 degrees.
Oh, that's like a perfect angle. Ooh, there's a big mosquito on here. Why? I don't just lift it, throw it in, and start to bend it.
Where's the mark?
Here.
More than 90 degrees.
Should I check?
Yeah, check it. You're getting pretty close.
So just unlock it, take it
Yep.
out, and check it. I haven't seen one of these since.
It's about 90 already, so.
So how do you use a protractor? Protractor, right? Can I just do this?
Yeah, you're good.
I did it.
Yeah, you did it.
Yay! So to sum up what Travis and I just said, or what he said, this, right?
No.
This is flat now. So it was 36, because that's what I did on the English wheel. Now it's at 0. So now I had to use the shrinker to put a little shape in that. You know what? I'm doing it. I don't know. Because I have to do 2 of them, right? I have to do another one.
Yeah.
So at least if I get this down, the other one should theoretically go much smoother. No promises. Like how funny. Like that's what I need to use, but like, oh my god. We're just literally out of space here.
Step, 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 step. Light little steps. Because it's very little. It's the 36, right?
36, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
You double checked it?
I did it with the English wheel at 36.
Okay. I know some cars it tapers down quick at the bottom, so it might be a 24 at the bottom there.
You didn't tell me.
Just go check it. It doesn't... Right at the bottom of the flange. This way. Yes, that way.
Looks beautiful.
Perfect. Now go and check it on the body, see if it flows. So if you cut it off, it's gonna look like shit.
So, let's see how this does. It looks pretty good to me.
An inch and an inch, make a line, and then we'll cut down and over on this. Take that piece out so you can flip this out
And put it back in the brake.
Yeah, this is where the beauty of a box and pan brake comes in to handy, but you know, we can just budget and
What are you gonna cut that with? Or what am I gonna, just scissors?
yeah, shears.
That's hard, huh? Oh! Not super close. I'm legitimately sweating trying to do this. Ugh. Ew. One time when I was using a hammer, someone was commenting in a video and was like, she looks so dumb. She doesn't know what the heck she's doing. And I'm like,
That was my troll account.
that was your troll account? And I'm like, yeah, I don't know, but at least I'm trying. Stinking me now. Can you imagine? My own husband had a troll account saying mean things to me. Okay, looks good to me. All right, back to the brake.
Okay, so this is why the finger brake, box and pan brake is valuable. So you take these off. Should have a little rack down here because you know, be helpful. So if you got a flange and you want to bend another flange next to it, take fingers out wherever you need.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
So what, you can see what it's doing? Is that the point?
No, undo that side. Lock it down. See how, keep going. See how this flange would have hit by now?
Camera. Oh. Yeah.
See how it gets it out of the way. So you can, if you have a big flange on here, you can bend it right up, all the way.
Nice. I thought you wanted me to go all the way.
We're gonna, but the flange is gonna hit the bottom now. So we gotta give her a little relief. So even if you want it to go 90,
yeah,
it's nice, but we're gonna snip a bit out so we can go even more.
Oopsie.
Like that. So he gets that material out of the way and put it back in.
And do the rest.
Yep. Just go. Now you should be able to go just all the way now. Yeah, fine.
How am I supposed to?
Really? Whoa. Push it. The other side?
Baby's first patch panel.
Yeah.
I did it!
No,
now?
it's not done.
Well, I did like something.
Yeah, you did something. For sure. Okay.
So now what? Let's go. Beautiful weather, huh? Thoughts?
We should have just went to 90 on this. We can unbend it, but it's just annoying. It's just annoying. Just hit the corner.
Yep. There's sand in this? Woo!
Number 4 sweep, that's what it is. So we gotta make this number 4.
This needs to be at,
No.
this needs to be at a 4. So I'm bending this to make this a 4. Same,
Shrinking that.
shrinking this, same sweeps the whole time. If I do too much, I'm screwed.
Consistent pressure every kick. Don't want to too hard one place and soft another.
Now, there's a tiny, tiny bit. Is it worth it to do it once more? Or I don't want to do it too much and then, do you know what I mean?
I get what you're saying, but it's
Once more?
just like, it doesn't have to be right next to each other either, like.
great.
Oh, we gotta figure out where this end is. Then we do that, and boop, we have to make that bend.
And bend this.
Yeah,
Or
we
not.
gotta transfer that to the other side though. Matches the 24. Cut those off.
With the scissors?
Yeah. Unless you want me to cut them. Unless you want me to cut them off.
I guess just do it. One of the kids is up, and I have like 7 minutes until the baby's up. So it's like crank time.
I go quickly now.
You can press up on it. Do it again.
What?
Do it again. And press up.
Good?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa! The harder you press, the faster it goes. Okay, get up, get up, get up. You're doing so good on the patch panel. I don't want you to ruin it in the last step.
I can tell that I'm louder.
Yeah.
That's it. Hot. Their particles are so cold. Woo, woo.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Oh, Are you TIG welding? TIG welding, yeah. You don't look at it when it's on, right? If you don't have your mask on?
Yeah. That way, my dad would do that.
Yeah, that's what your dad does. Your dad wears a mask. Yep.
And I wear yours, so I wear one his because I'm ready.
Alright, the piece is done. Travis just used the pull max. I was running in the house to get the baby, so unfortunately he did not record any of that, but you know, it is what it is. So this is how it's looking. Once this crap is taken out, I will tack this in and I will weld it because it's my car, so you know, can't really get told no on that one. So yeah, guys, let me put it up against this tree. My first patch panel with a beautiful background. So yeah, guys, I'll get the recycling bin out of the way, but I'm pretty stoked on it. Big shout out, of course, to Travis. Can't do much around here without him, especially this kind of stuff, because it's like angles and numbers and whatever. So I'm stoked, guys. I don't know. Thank you, Trav. Both kids are up. Both kids are working in the shop. It's time for me to call it a day out here. Nap time is over. Model A time for the moment is over. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. The support is so appreciated. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.